Chapter 27, verse 1.
And it came to pass, that when Isaac was old, and his eyes were dim, so that he could not see, he called Esau his oldest son, and said to him, My son. And he said to him, Behold, here am I.
Chapitre 27. Et il arriva, quand Isaac fut devenu vieux et que ses yeux furent trop faibles pour voir, qu'il appela Ésaü, son fils aîné, et lui dit, Mon fils. Et il lui répondit, Me voici.
And he said, Behold now, I am old, I know not the day of my death.
Et il dit, Voici je suis vieux, et je ne sais point le jour de ma mort.
Now therefore take, I pray you, your weapons, your quiver and your bow, and go out to the field, and take me some venison.
Maintenant donc, prends, je te prie, tes armes, ton carquois et ton arc, et va-t'en aux champs, et prends-moi du gibier.
And make me savory meat, such as I love, and bring it to me, that I may eat, that my soul may bless you before I die.
Et apprête-moi un mets appétissant, comme je les aime, et apporte-le-moi, que je le mange, afin que mon âme te bénisse avant que je meure.
And Rebekah heard when Isaac spoke to Esau his son, and Esau went to the field to hunt for venison, and to bring it.
Or, Rebekah écoutait, pendant qu'Isaac parlait à Ésaü, son fils. Ésaü s'en alla donc au champ pour prendre du gibier et l'apporter.
And Rebekah spoke to Jacob her son, saying, Behold, I heard your father speak to Esau your brother, saying.
Et Rebekah parla à Jacob, son fils, et lui dit, Voici, j'ai entendu ton père, qui parlait à Ésaü, ton frère, et lui disait,
Bring me venison, and make me savory meat, that I may eat, and bless you before the Lord before my death.
Apporte-moi du gibier, et apprête-moi un mets appétissant, que je le mange, et que je te bénisse devant l'Éternel, avant de mourir.
Now therefore, my son, obey my voice according to that which I command you.
Maintenant donc, mon fils, obéis à ma voix, pour ce que je vais te commander.
Go now to the flock, and fetch me from there 2 good kids of the goats, and I will make them savory meat for your father, such as he loves.
Va me prendre troupeau de bons chevreaux, et j'en apprêterai pour ton père un mets appétissant, comme il les aime.
And you shall bring it to your father, that he may eat, and that he may bless you before his death.
Et tu le porteras à ton père, pour qu'il le mange, afin qu'il te bénisse avant sa mort.
And Jacob said to Rebekah his mother, Behold, Esau my brother is a hairy man, and I am a smooth man.
Et Jacob répondit à Rebekah sa mère, Voici, Ésaü, mon frère, est velu, et je ne le suis pas.
My father peradventure will feel me, and I shall seem to him as a deceiver, and I shall bring a curse on me, and not a blessing.
Peut-être que mon père me tâtera, il me regardera comme un trompeur, et j'attirerai sur moi la malédiction, et non la bénédiction.
And his mother said to him, On me be your curse, my son, only obey my voice, and go fetch me them.
Et sa mère lui dit, Que ta malédiction soit sur moi, mon fils. Obéis seulement à ma voix, et va me chercher ces chevreaux.
And he went, and fetched, and brought them to his mother, and his mother made savory meat, such as his father loved.
Il alla donc les chercher et les apporta à sa mère, et sa mère en apprêta un mets appétissant, comme son père les aimait.
And Rebekah took goodly raiment of her oldest son Esau, which were with her in the house, and put them on Jacob her younger son.
Puis Rebekah prit les plus riches habits d'Ésaü, son fils aîné, qu'elle avait auprès d'elle dans la maison, et elle en revêtit Jacob, son fils cadet.
And she put the skins of the kids of the goats on his hands, and on the smooth of his neck.
Et elle couvrit des peaux de chevreau ses mains et son cou, qui étaient sans poils.
And she gave the savory meat and the bread, which she had prepared, into the hand of her son Jacob.
Ensuite elle mit le mets appétissant et le pain qu'elle avait apprêté, dans la main de Jacob, son fils.
And he came to his father, and said, My father. And he said, Here am I. Who are you, my son?
Et il vint vers son père, et dit, Mon père. Et il répondit, Me voici. Qui es-tu, mon fils?
And Jacob said to his father, I am Esau your firstborn. I have done according as you bade me. Arise, I pray you, sit and eat of my venison, that your soul may bless me.
Et Jacob dit à son père, Je suis Ésaü, ton fils aîné. J'ai fait ce que tu m'as commandé. Lève-toi, je te prie, assieds-toi, et mange de ma chasse, afin que ton âme me bénisse.
And Isaac said to his son, How is it that you have found it so quickly, my son? And he said, Because the Lord your God brought it to me.
Et Isaac dit à son fils, Comment donc en as-tu trouvé si tôt, mon fils? Et il dit, C'est que l'Éternel ton Dieu me l'a fait rencontrer.
And Isaac said to Jacob, Come near, I pray you, that I may feel you, my son, whether you be my very son Esau or not.
Et Isaac dit à Jacob, Approche, que je te tâte, mon fils, pour savoir si tu es mon fils Ésaü ou non.
And Jacob went near to Isaac his father, and he felt him, and said, The voice is Jacob's voice, but the hands are the hands of Esau.
Jacob s'approcha donc d'Isaac, son père, qui le tâta, et dit, La voix est la voix de Jacob, mais les mains sont les mains d'Ésaü.
And he discerned him not, because his hands were hairy, as his brother Esau hands, so he blessed him.
Il ne le reconnut pas, car ses mains étaient velues, comme les mains d'Ésaü, son frère, et il le bénit.
And he said, Are you my very son Esau? And he said, I am.
Et il dit, C'est toi qui es mon fils Ésaü? Et il répondit, C'est moi.
And he said, Bring it near to me, and I will eat of my son venison, that my soul may bless you. And he brought it near to him, and he did eat. And he brought him wine, and he drank.
Alors il dit, C'est moi, que je mange de la chasse de mon fils, pour que mon âme te bénisse. Et il le servit, et il mangea. Il lui apporta aussi du vin, et il but.
And his father Isaac said to him, Come near now, and kiss me, my son.
Puis Isaac, son père, lui dit, Approche, et baise-moi, mon fils.
And he came near, and kissed him. And he smelled the smell of his raiment, and blessed him, and said, See, the smell of my son is as the smell of a field which the Lord has blessed.
Et il s'approcha, et le baisa. Et Isaac sentit l'odeur de ses habits, et il le bénit, et dit, Voici, l'odeur de mon fils est comme l'odeur d'un champ que l'Éternel a béni.
Therefore God give you of the dew of heaven, and the fatness of the earth, and plenty of corn and wine.
Que Dieu te donne de la rosée des cieux et de la graisse de la terre, et une abondance de froment et de mou.
Let people serve you, and nations bow down to you. Be lord over your brothers, and let your mother sons bow down to you. Cursed be every one that curses you, and blessed be he that blesses you.
Que des peuples te servent, et que des nations se prosternent devant toi. Sois le maître de tes frères, et que les fils de ta mère se prosternent devant toi. Quiconque te maudira, soit maudit, et quiconque te bénira, soit béni.
And it came to pass, as soon as Isaac had made an end of blessing Jacob, and Jacob was yet scarce gone out from the presence of Isaac his father, that Esau his brother came in from his hunting.
Et il arriva, aussitôt qu'Isaac eut achevé de bénir Jacob, et comme Jacob était à peine sorti de devant Isaac, son père, qu'Ésaü, son frère, revint de la chasse.
And he also had made savory meat, and brought it to his father, and said to his father, Let my father arise, and eat of his son venison, that your soul may bless me.
Il apprêta, lui aussi, un mets appétissant, et l'apporta à son père, et il lui dit, Que mon père se lève, et mange de la chasse de son fils, afin que ton âme me bénisse.
And Isaac his father said to him, Who are you? And he said, I am your son, your firstborn Esau.
Et Isaac, son père, lui dit, Qui es-tu? Et il dit, Je suis ton fils, ton premier-né, Ésaü.
And Isaac trembled very exceedingly, and said, Who? Where is he that has taken venison, and brought it me? And I have eaten of all before you came, and have blessed him. Yes, and he shall be blessed.
Et Isaac fut saisi d'une émotion extraordinaire, et il dit, Qui est donc celui qui a pris du gibier, et m'en a apporté, et j'ai mangé de tout, avant que tu vis, et je l'ai béni, et aussi sera-t-il béni.
And when Esau heard the words of his father, he cried with a great and exceeding bitter cry, and said to his father, Bless me, even me also, O my father.
Dès qu'Ésaü eut entendu les paroles de son père, il jeta un cri très grand et très amer. Et il dit à son père, Bénis-moi, moi aussi, mon père.
And he said, Your brother came with subtlety, and has taken away your blessing.
Mais il dit, Ton frère est venu avec ruse, et il a pris ta bénédiction.
And he said, Is not he rightly named Jacob? For he has supplanted me these 2 times. He took away my birthright, and, behold, now he has taken away my blessing. And he said, Have you not reserved a blessing for me?
Et Ésaü dit, Est-ce parce qu'on l'a appelé Jacob, qu'il m'a déjà supplanté 2 fois? Il a pris mon droit d'aînesse, et voici, maintenant il a pris ma bénédiction. Ensuite il dit, N'as-tu point réservé de bénédiction pour moi?
And Isaac answered and said to Esau, Behold, I have made him your lord, and all his brothers have I given to him for servants, and with corn and wine have I sustained him, and what shall I do now to you, my son?
Et Isaac répondit et dit à Ésaü, Voici, je l'ai établi ton maître et je lui ai donné tous ses frères pour serviteurs, et je l'ai pourvu de froment et de mou. Et que ferai-je donc pour toi, mon fils?
And Esau said to his father, Have you but one blessing, my father? Bless me, even me also, O my father. And Esau lifted up his voice, and wept.
Et Ésaü dit à son père, N'as-tu que cette bénédiction, mon père? Bénis-moi, moi aussi, mon père. Et Ésaü éleva la voix et pleura.
And Isaac his father answered and said to him, Behold, your dwelling shall be the fatness of the earth, and of the dew of heaven from above.
Et Isaac son père répondit et lui dit, Voici, ta demeure sera de la graisse de la terre, de la rosée des cieux d'en haut.
And by your sword shall you live, and shall serve your brother. And it shall come to pass when you shall have the dominion, that you shall break his yoke from off your neck.
Et tu vivras de ton épée, et tu serviras ton frère, mais il arrivera, comme tu seras errant, que tu briseras son joug de dessus ton cou.
And Esau hated Jacob because of the blessing with which his father blessed him. And Esau said in his heart, The days of mourning for my father are at hand, then will I slay my brother Jacob.
Et Ésaü prit Jacob en aversion à cause de la bénédiction que son père lui avait donnée, et Ésaü dit en son cœur, Les jours du deuil de mon père approchent, et je tuerai Jacob, mon frère.
And these words of Esau her elder son were told to Rebekah, and she sent and called Jacob her younger son, and said to him, Behold, your brother Esau, as touching you, does comfort himself, purposing to kill you.
Et l'on rapporta à Rebekah les paroles d'Ésaü, son fils aîné, et elle envoya appeler Jacob, son second fils, et lui dit, Voici, Ésaü ton frère va se venger de toi en te tuant.
Now therefore, my son, obey my voice. Arise, flee you to Laban my brother to Haran.
Maintenant donc, mon fils, obéis à ma voix, lève-toi, enfuis-toi vers Laban, mon frère, à Charan.
And tarry with him a few days, until your brother fury turn away.
Et tu demeureras avec lui quelque temps, jusqu'à ce que la fureur de ton frère soit passée,
until your brother anger turn away from you, and he forget the which you have done to him. Then I will send, and fetch you from there. Why should I be deprived also of you both in one day?
Jusqu'à ce que la colère de ton frère se détourne de toi, et qu'il ait oublié ce que tu lui as fait. Alors je t'enverrai chercher de là. Pourquoi serais-je privé de vous deux en un même jour?
And Rebekah said to Isaac, I am weary of my life because of the daughters of Heth. If Jacob take a wife of the daughters of Heth, such as these which are of the daughters of the land, what good shall my life do me?
Et Rebecca dit à Isaac, je suis dégoûtée de la vie, à cause des filles de Heth. Si Jacob prend parmi les filles de Heth, parmi les filles du pays, une femme comme celle-là, à quoi me sert la vie?